Hi, it's Megan. I'm doing a bunch of videos for the Magnetic Nude collection. I was saying in an earlier video, this is going to be one of my favorite collections of the year because I love the Extra Dimension formula and I also love the Fluid Line formula. And MAC has done some amazing colors. So this video is for the eyeshadows. They did a collection last April 2013 with kind of white-based, silver-based shades, and I use those shadows all the time. They are like my absolute favorite go-tos to open up my eyes when I want to add just kind of a bright, soft shimmer that's kind of, some of them were duochrome, some of them were just kind of very kind of opaque, 3D, just really nice colors. So when I saw these, at first I wasn't going to succumb to them, but I'm also a huge nude sucker. I like to mix colors into my nudes instead of mixing nudes into my colors. So I decided to get 4 of the eyeshadow shades. Behind me, by the way, is Mo, who decided he wanted to be in the videos today. So the shades I got Amorous Ally, and I have outdoor swatches as well, but this is what it looks like inside. And this MAC says is deep terracotta copper with a metallic finish. I think it's kind of a medium dark copper, maybe a little brown red undertones, and then it's got this Extra Dimension finish, which is kind of frosted. And I did not put this on my eyes because this one sold out really fast, so I didn't want to do an eyeshadow look with the one that was already sold out on most websites. But it's a beautiful, beautiful, really rich pigmented color. In all of these, if you wet them, they actually apply a lot more pigmented and richer and deeper and unfortunately more metallic. So I don't like that strong look. I don't do it, but if you want to do that, you can. On my eyes, I have a Natural Flirt, which is right here. This is it. A Natural Flirt is described by MAC as iridescent light pink with a metallic finish. It's kind of a peachy pink with gold, and this I put up right here, right underneath my eyebrows, and again outdoor swatches. This, what I could also do is take it and put it in the inner eye or right here. It's a great shade for kind of brightening, but I also like it as a shadow. I would also wear this particular color when I wanted to do a dark dramatic look, just put this on my lids when I didn't want a whole lot else. I love this type of shade. I tend to gravitate toward the lighter, like I said, the summer shades to April, the lighter, brighter, frostier shades, just because I'm always in a hurry, and with my eye shape they tend to just brighten up the eye a lot and really open it up, and then I don't have to wear a lot of other makeup when I'm in that kind of mad dash to get out of the house. Silver Dawn, MAC describes it as a dirty gray mauve. These all have a metallic finish. This is kind of a cool toned shade in my opinion. It does have maybe some brown to the taupe. I put this on my lid, you can see it has a little maybe brown. It's kind of a maybe cool leaning slightly to warm. I did it with a brown eyeliner, so you can see the two colors blend well, but I do think it's more kind of a taupe gray. And then I darkened it in the crease. So what I did, I love this shade. So if you see, if I step back a little bit from the camera, I just think this kind of shade is really a great flattering neutral. It's great with blue eyes, but it's also great with most eye colors. Very good for doing a whole bunch of things, a whole bunch of looks. So I took just kind of a eyeshadow brush like this, a small one, just because I wanted to be very precise in the application, put it on here and then kind of blended it underneath the eyes a little bit, part way. Then I took this little brush and I used something else from the collection. Again, I totally love the fluid lines. I used the Our Secret, which is just a brown with a little bit of red undertone. Kind of a warm color, warm and cool together. And then I just lined the eyes real quick and did a little halfway again. Then I went back to Silver Dawn and using the same brush, which is probably still a little wet from the fluid cream line, I just dipped it in again and then I put that in the crease and then blended. And so I like the look. It's mixing kind of the brown, the cool and the warm, because you've got warm, cool, and then you've got warm. And I love these kind of taupey colors for blue eyes. It's one of my passions. So I like this. Then the last one I got, I didn't get the silver one because I had the silver one from last summer and I just didn't think that I needed another silver one. Much as I love the one I have, it's a bigger pot than these, and I just didn't want another one. And I don't know how different they are, but silver being one of my favorites, I still had gotten enough. I didn't need any more. Sweet Heat, this is, according to MAC, a soft peachy pink. And again, it has a metallic finish. It's kind of a light, medium, peachy taupe kind of color. And this is a really great color, again, for one of those quick kind of out the door natural looks. That's what's so great about this whole collection. Right now I actually tried to do like a real eye, but any of these colors, including this one right here, you just kind of brush it on your eyelid, and then you take a small brush like this and put it partway under your eye, or all the way. I look hard if I go all the way. I go almost all the way, kind of get wider in the line as it goes out. Any of these, you can just throw them on real quick and put on whatever lip you want, mascara, and you're set to go. So overall, I adore these. On me, they last, and I always use an eyeshadow primer, so it's kind of not fair to say how long they would last without. I just wouldn't even dare it. But on me, they last about 8 hours. I start getting a little fading, but well, I can't seem to wear lipstick at all. It fades so fast, it's ridiculous. Eyeshadow lasts on me forever. So these will last a good 8-9 hours, and I think it is an amazing, perfect collection if A, you like nudes, B, you don't mind a little bit of shimmer, and I think also C, these are not super pigmented in your face kind of things, except for the one I don't have on my eyes, Amorous Ally. So I take that, and I mean, look at that, that's like super pigmented. Really gorgeous shade. But I think most of them, they're pigmented, but they're not meant to be kind of in your face. I guess I misstated. They are super pigmented, but they're not super strong color. So while you're going to get a lot of color and coverage from them, you know, they're muted. I think that's it. So if you have questions, feedback, suggestions for other videos, I would love to hear it. If you have this collection and have comments, that'd be great. I do videos for my book, Get Your Child to the Top, a parent-focused education book, and I think that is it for this video.